Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Kelvin, and today this is what I did to my mini truck. So I gotta pop it open. Hood pins, because, you know, mini truck life, you gotta have hood pins. Ta-da! That is what I did today. I swapped in the Weber carburetor. Now there are like 1,000 adapter plates. There's like 1 adapter plate, 2 adapter plates, 3 adapter plates, and then the carb. Change the linkage. Oh yeah. My 8 plug, I already did cap, rotor, wires, plugs. EGR delete, you like that? That's kinked up. All the evap stuff is gone. Even back here I did the EGR delete. Probably can't see the gasket, but I made my own EGR block off plate for that. Fuel pressure regulator. Yeah, thing runs sweet. Let me fire it up for you because I'm just so happy for it. It's never ran this good. Not since I've owned it. Honestly, probably not in this life. Just fires right up. Humming. Actually, when I first fired it up, it was still in the garage here, and it belched out so much carbon from just not breathing right with the old carburetor. It made a big stain. So I still gotta put some seafoam in it and stuff, but it runs beautifully. You can just rip gears in this thing. Loving it. LED light bar. Got the stereo on, USB socket. This is for the overhead light. This one's for the backlights. They're actually in the bed. They're pretty nice. Put some kicker speakers in here. For the first time, this thing is actually kicking ass. Hooked up some LED tail lights in the back, along with a 3rd brake light. So it looks like that now. And that one just runs, and then when you hit the brakes, bling, lights up. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, it's been a fun project. I'm looking forward to getting more work done on it. The bushings are completely shot. The suspension bounces around quite a bit, but whatever, timing, you know, little by little. For now, I'm just gonna rock it.